Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the conversion of a galvanometer into a voltmeter. A voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring potential difference between 2 points of a current carrying conductor. For converting the galvanometer into a voltmeter, a high resistance R is connected in series with a moving coil galvanometer G. The value of R depends on the range of required voltmeter. Let G be the resistance of the coil of galvanometer and Ig is the current which on passing through the galvanometer produces a full scale deflection. If V is the maximum potential difference to be measured between 2 points, then the value of current Ig will be equal to Ig is equals to V upon G plus R, because these two resistances are connected in series, so the resultant will be G plus R. The potential difference is V, so Ig is equals to V upon G plus R. On further solving, Ig into G plus Ig into R is equals to V, or IGR is equals to V minus IgG, or from here we can calculate R is equals to V upon Ig minus G. This is the formula for calculating the resistance which we will connect in series with the galvanometer. By knowing the value of V, potential difference, and the current and the galvanometer resistance, we can calculate the value of R. When the resistance of this value is connected in series with the coil of galvanometer, then this combination will work as a galvanometer, so as a voltmeter of range 0 to V volt. The series combination of a galvanometer and a resistance, galvanometer constitutes the voltmeter. The resistance of the voltmeter is equal to, if V is the RV is the voltmeter resistance, it will be equal to G plus R. An ideal voltmeter have a resistance which is equal to infinite. For ideal voltmeter, the value of resistance should be infinite, so that no current should pass through this.